Oh man, ouch. My head really hurts.
Good morning, Tom. Are you okay? You do not look very well.
No, I feel terrible today. I did not sleep well last night. My throat is very dry.
Your voice sounds different. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts when I talk. It hurts when I drink water, too. And I have a big headache.
Oh no, let me touch your forehead. Wow, you are very warm. I think you have a fever.
A fever? That explains why I feel so cold. I need another blanket.
You definitely have a bad cold, or maybe the flu. You cannot go to work this morning.
You are right. I am too tired to work. My body aches everywhere.
You should call your boss right now. Tell him you are sick.
Yes, I will call him. What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock in the morning. He should be at the office.
Okay, please pass me my phone. Thank you.
Hello? This is Mr. Davis speaking.
Hi, Mr. Davis. This is Tom. I am calling about work today.
Good morning, Tom. Is everything all right? You sound a little bit sick.
Yes, unfortunately, I am sick. I woke up with a bad headache and I have a fever.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. There is a bad virus going around right now. Many people are sick this week.
Yes, I feel very weak. I do not think I can come to the office today.
Absolutely not. Please stay home and rest. We do not want anyone else to catch your cold.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go to the pharmacy soon. I need to get some medicine.
That's a good idea. Drink plenty of water and get lots of sleep.
I will do that. I hope to feel better tomorrow morning.
Do not worry about tomorrow yet. Just focus on today. Call me tomorrow afternoon with an update.
Okay, I will call you tomorrow afternoon. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom. Get well soon.
So, what did your boss say?
He was very nice about it. He told me to stay home and rest. He said a virus is going around.
He is right. A lot of our friends were sick last week. Are you ready to go to the pharmacy?
Yes, I need to go now. My headache is getting worse.
Do you want me to drive you?
No, it is okay. The fresh air will be good for me. I will just walk. It is only 10 minutes away.
Okay, but please wear a warm coat. It is quite windy outside this morning.
I will. Where are my keys? I cannot find them.
Let me look. Ah, here they are. They're on the kitchen table.
Thank you. And my wallet?
Your wallet is in your jacket pocket. I checked it earlier.
Perfect. I am leaving now. I will be back in 30 minutes.
Walk slowly, Tom. Call me if you need anything.
Good morning, Tom. Nice day today, isn't it?
Oh, hi, Mr. Green. Yes, the weather is nice, but it is a little bit cold.
Wow, you look very pale. Are you feeling okay?
Not really. I have a terrible cold. I am walking to the pharmacy.
Oh, that is no good. Which pharmacy are you going to? The old one closed last month.
Really? Oh no, I did not know that. Where is the new pharmacy?
It is very close. It is on Main Street, right next to the big supermarket.
Ah, I know the supermarket. Is it a long walk from here?
No, not at all. It is only 2 streets away, maybe a 5-minute walk.
Phew, that is good news. I do not have much energy today.
Make sure you buy some orange juice, too. Vitamin C is very important for a cold.
That is a great idea. I will buy some juice after I get my medicine.
Well, I will let you go. Take care of yourself, Tom. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Mr. Green. Have a good day.
Hello, welcome to the city pharmacy. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need some help, please. I am feeling very sick.
Oh, I'm sorry. What are your symptoms?
Well, I have a very bad headache. My head has hurt since last night, and my throat is very sore.
I see. Do you have a cough?
No, I do not have a cough, but I think I have a fever. I feel hot and cold at the same time.
Let us check your temperature. I have a thermometer right here. Just stand still for a second.
Okay.
Yes, your temperature is 38 degrees. You definitely have a mild fever. Are you taking any other medicine right now?
No, I am not taking anything.
Do you have any allergies to medicine? Are you allergic to ibuprofen or paracetamol?
No, I have no allergies. I can take normal medicine.
Great. First, I will give you these painkillers. They are very good for headaches and fevers.
How often should I take them?
You need to take 2 pills every 6 hours, but do not take them on an empty stomach. Always take them after you eat food.
Okay, 2 pills every 6 hours after food. I understand. What about my sore throat?
For your throat, I have these throat lozenges. They taste like honey and lemon. They will make your throat feel much better.
Oh, that sounds nice. How many of those can I have?
You can have 1 lozenge every 2 hours. Just let it melt slowly in your mouth. Do not chew it.
Perfect. Is there anything else I need?
Just lots of rest and drink plenty of fluids. Water and hot tea are the best.
Thank you so much. You have been very helpful.
You're very welcome. Take these boxes to the front desk. The cashier will help you pay.
Hello there. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am ready. I just have these 2 items, the painkillers and the throat lozenges.
All right, let me scan them for you. Okay, that will be $14.50, please.
Wow, that is not too expensive. Do you accept health insurance cards?
We do accept insurance for prescription medicine, but these are over-the-counter medicines, so insurance does not cover them.
I understand. That is perfectly fine.
Do you have our pharmacy loyalty card? You can collect points for a discount.
No, I do not have one, and I do not want to make one today. I just want to go home to bed.
I completely understand. Being sick is no fun. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I will pay with cash. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. And here's your change, $5.50.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a plastic bag for your medicine?
No, thank you. I can just put them in my jacket pocket.
Here's your receipt. I put it in the box with the pills.
Great. Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful day, and I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Tom, is that you? You are back quickly.
Yes, I am home. Whew, I am so exhausted. Walking made me very tired.
Sit down on the sofa. Did you find the new pharmacy easily?
Yes, I met Mr. Green outside. He told me where to go. The pharmacist was very nice, too.
That is good. What did she give you?
She gave me some pills for my headache and fever, and some honey and lemon lozenges for my throat.
Those sound perfect. Have you eaten anything yet today? You need to eat before taking the pills.
No, I have not eaten. I am not very hungry.
You must eat a little bit. I made some warm chicken soup. I will bring you a bowl right now.
Wow, chicken soup sounds amazing. Thank you, Sarah. You are taking good care of me.
Of course. Here is your soup. Eat it slowly.
That soup was delicious. Now I can take my medicine. Could you pass me a glass of water, please?
Here is a fresh glass of water. How many pills do you need to take?
The pharmacist said I need to take 2 pills, and I can take them again in 6 hours.
Okay, let us look at the clock. It is 10 o'clock in the morning right now, so your next dose will be at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Exactly. Gulp. Okay, I swallowed the pills.
Good job. Now you need to go to sleep. The sofa is comfortable, but the bed is better.
You are right. I'm going to close my eyes now. Please wake me up at noon.
I will let you sleep. Sweet dreams, Tom. Tom, are you awake? It is 6 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, wow. I slept for a very long time.
Yes, you slept all afternoon. Your body really needed the rest. How are you feeling now?
Actually, I feel much better.
Really? That is wonderful news.
Yes, my headache is completely gone. My head does not hurt at all anymore.
Let me check your temperature again. Wow, your forehead is cool. You do not have a fever now. The medicine worked very well.
Yes, it did, but my throat is still a little bit dry.
That is normal. You can have another throat lozenge, and I will make you some hot tea with honey.
That sounds perfect. I'm starting to feel a little bit hungry, too.
That is a great sign. When you are hungry, it means you are getting healthy again. What would you like for dinner?
Can we have some pasta? I would love a big bowl of warm pasta.
Absolutely. I will start cooking right now. You just relax and watch some television.
I will. I need to call my boss tomorrow morning. I think I will be ready to go back to work the day after tomorrow.
Take it easy, Tom. One day at a time. Rest tonight, and we will see how you feel tomorrow.
You are always right, Sarah. Thank you for everything today. I'm very lucky to have you.
You are welcome. Now eat this honey lozenge. Dinner will be ready in 30 minutes.